Get strong.
Are you ready to add a touch of sophisticated grayscale glamour to your apparel line? Say hello to the elegant Monochrome Princess. Black, white, and gray are always chic, and this design proves it with perfect style. This high-fashion, detailed look is ideal for creating sophisticated apparel and accessories. It's guaranteed to be a timeless seller in your shop. Two great options: Eco Solvent for vibrant color/durability, or Sublimation 3-packs for amazing value on apparel and physical items. Stop waiting! Grab this unique, high-quality transfer instantly at www.stylejunction.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe as we put out newly created images 2 to 3 times a week. See you in the next video.
Get strong.